Good evening, everyone. I am Dimna Mishra.
I am Aradhya Mandoi.
I am Kushniti Srivastava.
So, here we are gathered to share our first day of spoken English classes. So, firstly, I would like to ask to Aradhya that how was your first day of spoken English classes?
Okay, so when I entered in the class, I was like, I didn't know the where is the class and where I have to go. Okay, so then I asked to somebody that where is the class, and after some time, some students started coming into the class, and ma'am had also come. Okay, and then ma'am told me to write your daily routine in a page, and after that, ma'am told me to give introduction in front of everyone. After some time, ma'am told to everyone, including me, that you have to come for conversation about the festival Holi. And then at last, ma'am told us to do gossiping with each other in a boys team and in girls team also.
So, that's all? Okay. So, now I would like to ask Krishniti that how was your first day of spoken classes?
Okay, so when there was my first day of spoken English classes, I was very nervous and I was thinking that what will happen in the class. But when I came into the class, I saw that the students of the class are very good in nature, and the ma'am was also teaching very nicely. And I saw that ma'am is very sweet. She is talking very nicely to everyone. She was talking very nicely to everyone, and then ma'am told me to give introduction in front of everyone, but that time I was not able to speak English fluently. But so I was thinking that now ma'am will scold me, and I was very scared. But that time ma'am didn't scold me. She was teaching me how to stand in front of everyone and how to speak English properly. And that time I was feeling so good and I was very happy. So that's all about my first day of English spoken classes.
Okay, thank you, Krishniti. So, now I would like to share my first day of spoken classes. So, my experience was very good. Firstly, I was feeling nervous, but after some time, I got mixed up with my friends and ma'am. As ma'am is very sweet in nature and she teaches very nicely. So, firstly, I had entered the class, and after that, ma'am told me to give my introduction. So, I had done the same, and the students asked me some of the questions, and after some time, ma'am gave us the topic for GD. So the topic was pollution. So I did the same, and there were two teams, one for boys and girls. And then after some time, and the GD, I did the best, and ma'am asked me that you are very fluent, so why you have joined the classes? And I answered ma'am's question very simply. And after that, my parents had not come, so ma'am was asking simply about the tenses and all of my school and all, and that's how my school my first day of the class was going on. Thank you. That's all from our side.